So, you guys, Daddy is about to like these firecrackers. Daddy, what you got on? What kind of shoes are those? French blues or what? Oh, ish. Whoa! There goes Daddy. Happy New Year.
Wait, is that the 41?
I'm gonna Chanel. Don't let your umbrella hit, mommy.
Hi, guys.
Happy New Year's, everybody. Chanel, family fun. Chanel, let them see you, girl. You're hiding in the back. Don't put the umbrella in the way, Chanel. They looking at the fireworks. Stand up straight, baby.
It scared me.
So we're popping firecrackers with Chanel brother. Oh my gosh, Trevor, we're recording, so be on your best behavior. Dad, we're recording, so you might want to straighten up.
Come on, man.
You can't get it lit or what?
Come on, man.
Whoa. Whoa. Pull off your shoes.
Who is that?
Chanel, let me see you, girl. Hey. Miracle, say Happy New Year's, everybody.
Happy New
Back up
Year.
so I can see you next, Daddy. Go over there by Daddy real quick. Like, let me see you. Come on, I can't see you.